Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I created this relationship between the piston and the crankshaft by using physics constraint. So first of all, I am using Unreal Engine 5.2. For the project, I'm calling it Engine Prototype. So let's just click create, click. Anyways, the typical setup is just to save your levels. I'm calling it Engine Prototype. And here I like to also check for the show frame rate and memory out of habit. Also checking in the maps and modes, make sure it startups properly. So here's me trying to model the pistons and the crankshaft. I have a few reference image there. And by all means, I am not a 3D artist. I have some basic knowledge on how it works. I am using Blender. So this is just me modeling the connecting rod, and this will be the piston. It is not up to scale, this is just based on my feeling. Why I'm doing this is because I'm into cars lately, so I want to understand even more how the process works. So this is just a single cylinder engine. So let's see. So here I'm creating 3 different blueprints for the crankshaft, the piston rod, and the connecting rod. In the end, I'm only using 2. Here I'm creating a material. I like to create a master material, and then I'll create a material instance. Oh, that looks pretty. Anyways, so I'm assigning the meshes into its proper blueprints here. Just placing them roughly in the scene. So yeah, here I decide to change the level because the landscape is eating up my performance. I'm using a very old GPU. So to make the crankshaft rotates, I just create a simple timeline, make it rotate. For the connecting rod, I created some sort of like a placeholder for the connecting rod to follow. I'm just setting the same locations for it to follow along. Quite straightforward. Here I'm using the same method for the piston, so I make it follow the z-axis of the connecting rod actually. No, sorry, the crankshaft. But in the end, I decide to use physics constraint, which makes it look even better. So you see how that looks like. That's all. Thank you.